Step by step, we're on the way. Click and done, you're set today. GS Route, make your workflow smooth. Learn it fast, we'll guide you through. GS Route!
Hey there, writers. Welcome back. Today I've got something new for your digital toolbox. GS Route version 7.1 has arrived and is waiting for you in the Microsoft Store. Whether you're a long-distance touring pro or just getting started, these updates make planning your next route a real treat. Chapter 1. More power under the hood. Our little software hamsters have been grinding away for a whole year. The new version runs smoother, faster, and stays stable even on long planning sessions. Translation, less stress, more fun, more time on the road. GS Route is an app for Windows PCs and tablets. To install it, open the Microsoft Store, search for GS Route, hit install, and a few seconds later you're ready to roll. On first launch, the app creates a GS Route folder in your documents. That's where all the magic happens. Settings, cache mat tiles, AI prompts, everything. And when something ever gets messed up, you can delete the settings folder. GS Route will recreate it automatically on the next start. Same goes for the AI prompts folder, cache maps, and so on.
Maps on the table, backpack on the floor, shoes by the doorway, I'm tracing out the tour.
Chapter 2. AI Routing, Smart Curves for Smart Riders. Now it gets clever. With AI routing, you get routes tailored to your riding style. Low twisties? Prefer scenic roads? Want to get to your destination quickly? The AI figures it out for you. Back when ChatGPT first appeared, lots of YouTubers and bikers tried AI routing, but the prompts were complicated, hard to remember, and nobody knew how to turn results into a GPX file. Those days are over. GS Route now gives you the most comfortable AI routing experience available. You open the Actions menu, click Create an AI Route, and enter your start and destination. In the example, we plan a route from Munich to Teruel in Spain, passing through Briançon, Valberg, Aix-en-Provence, Perpignan, and Andorra. If you expand Edit Prompt, you would see the actual prompt that will be sent to ChatGPT with placeholders for start, end, and via points. You can modify it, save it under a new name, and even extend it with hotels, fuel stops, photo spots, whatever you like. 4 prompts are included by default. The extended prompt.txt tells ChatGPT to also search for hotels, photo locations, gas stations, etc. The more complex the request, the longer ChatGPT needs. So for beginners, the simple prompt is the best starting point. Once everything is set, click Create Route, and the show begins. ChatGPT works in the background and finds highlights for your trip. If everything goes well, you'll get an HTML page with a table. ID, name, latitude, longitude, address. Click Import Route, and GS Route converts that HTML into a real route.
Spread the guides across the couch. Every what if, every doubt turns to let's just find it out. I love this packing day. Parade suitcase open like a stage. Tickets printed, plans all made, hearts already.
At that point, the route isn't calculated yet, because no AI system is directly connected to a routing engine. So you'll see waypoints and colored lines. Choose a routing profile and start the calculation. The waypoints are set to the routing service defined in your profile. If you're planning summer tours in winter, set the routing profile to ignore current road closures. Otherwise, you might get weird detours. After calculation, you'll see estimated travel time, distance, and more. You can open the inspector, view the elevation profile, add a description, animate the route, or view it in map channels.
Coffee in a chipped old cup, boots by the back door, laced up, helmet on the counter, catching sun, weather app open, picking fun, folded paper maps on the floor, red pen circles, coast to the gorge, highways, back roads, dotted in blue, every line's a promise to you. I love the way it feels, planning every mile and meal.
Chapter 3. More maps, more roads, more adventure. Off-road, countryside, city, whatever you prefer, the new Maps and Recurring Services have you covered. To switch maps, click the map name at the top. A dialog opens with all available maps. You can also reset locally cached tiles. It's always a good idea to match the map to the routing service. That way the roads you hit are the roads the routing engine actually uses. Examples: cycling OpenStreetMap plus GraphHopper bike mode, Google Navigation, Google Maps plus Google Routing, Scenic or MRA users, Here Maps plus Here Routing, Garmin or BMW Navigator, Azure Maps plus the special super curvy motorcycle routing.
Lucky token I love. Booking a room at a roadside inn. Marking the diner with the pies that win. Texting a friend, you win if I go. Sharing screenshots of the twists in the road. I love the way it feels. Planning every mile and meal. Got my maps on the tank. Big sky in my head. Turning little daydreams into routes I'll thread. Oh, the ride starts here before the engine's even near. Just a pen, a plan, a heart that's tuned to a super cool adventure coming soon. Circle the date in thick black and count down the days. Barely sleep, barely blink. I'm already gone in my mind, leaning through curves I've yet to find. Hey, I love the way it feels. Planning every mile and meal. Got my maps on the tank, big sky in my head. Turning little daydreams into routes I've thread. Oh, the ride starts here with a notebook and a room. Just a pen, a plan, a heart that's tuned to a super cool adventure coming soon. Yeah, a super cool adventure coming soon.
Chapter 4: Elevation Profile and 3D Distance. If you know the Pythagorean theorem, you know that flat maps never show true distances. The Earth is curved and slopes matter. With the new 3D distance calculation, GS Route now considers both Earth curvature and elevation changes.
He plugs it in on Friday night, tiny screen, blinding light.
The new local elevation service provides much more detailed height data than before.
Spins and spins right past. He never reads the manual, just turns it on and drives. Thinks he's heading northbound, ends up on the other side. Oh, recalculating, keeps repeating while he misses every sign. He never reads the manual, so the map just draws a line.
Chapter 5: Route Export from Planning to Your Bike. Whether you use a BMW Navigator, Garmin, TomTom, DMD2, MyRoute app, or the Bosch Flow app for e-bikes, where plan routes now transfer easily to your device. The export dialog offers a dedicated provider for each export type with locks and settings. Standard profiles for all common navigation devices are included, complete with images and short explanations.
Every useless menu changes colors, changes view, but he can't find Take Me Home. So he circles one more time alone. He never reads the manual, just turns it on and drives. Thinks he's found a shortcut, hits a dead end every time. Oh, recalculated, keeps repeating as the daylight leaves his eyes. He never reads the manual, so the map just draws a line. Oh, glove box full of
Chapter 6: Pro License Check and Free Edition Upgrade. The license system has been completely redesigned, and the best part? Many pro features are now available to free users. Everything that doesn't cost server costs is now fully unlocked in version Heaven.1. You can import, archive, convert, split, reverse, and manage unlimited tracks and routes, all for free.
one step away from everything you need. One click to go, unlock your speed. Yeah. You've been running free, but now you want it all. Every feature waiting, answer the call. Hit the track of the day, find your pro license there. Add it to your cart, go on, it's only fair. Register it in the cloud, watch the magic start. GS Route comes alive, every brand new part. Unlock the
Chapter 7. Quick wrap up and what's next. More than 90% of viewers aren't subscribed. You want to support the channel? Leave a like, subscribe, and ring the little bell so you don't miss future updates. If you have questions or want to chat with other users, the Track of the Day community on Facebook is the perfect place. Thanks for stopping by. Stay curious and may you always have a hand's width of asphalt under your tires. Enjoy GS Route 791. See you out on the road.
If the plan becomes reality, we'll turn pages into memories. Laughing till our lungs give out on some hilltop no one knows about. If the plan becomes reality, every road sign spells you and me. Made a suitcase full of hopeful dreams, unpacked into mind-blowing scenes. Scribble towns